Hi everyone, see this problem. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. First one 2 by 8, second one minus 5 by 9, third one minus 6 by minus 5, 2 by minus 9, fifth one 19 by minus 6. See the solution. First one what is given 2 by 8. So write this one 2 by 8. You know that how to write 8 inverse of this rational number. So I am writing the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is equal to, what is the value? Here plus 2 by 8 is there, we can write minus 2 by 8. Why? Because write the reason, since 2 by 8 plus minus 2 by 8 sum value is 0. So that's why the inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Okay. Next, see the second one. Minus 5 by 9. The additive inverse of minus 5 by 9. What is the inverse of minus 5 by 9? Here minus 5 by 9 is given, so you write plus 5 by 9. So the inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. What is the reason? Since minus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9 is equal to 0. Next, third one, see. Third one, minus 6 by minus 5. Here minus divided by minus gives plus. So that's why it becomes 6 by 5. Minus minus will be cancelled. So now we can write the additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. Why? Because write the reason, since 6 by 5 plus of minus 6 by 5 is equal to 0. See the fourth one, 2 by minus 9 given. Here see, numerator number has plus sign, denominator number has minus sign. Plus divided by minus gives minus. So this will be 2 by 9. Now we can find the 8 inverse of minus 2 by 9. The additive inverse of minus 2 by 9 is equal to plus 2 by 9. Since you can write minus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Next, last one, see. 19 divided by minus 6 plus divided by minus gives minus 19 by 6. Now we can write the additive inverse of minus 19 by 6 is plus 19 by 6. So write the reason, minus 19 by 6 plus 19 by 6 is equal to 0. So this is the very easy problem. You can understand easily. See the next problem. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for first one x equal to 11 by 15, second one x equal to minus 13 by 17. See the first one. X equal to 11 by 15 given. We have to verify minus of minus x equal to x. First taken as LHS. Taken as LHS. LHS means left hand side. What is the left hand side given? Minus of minus x is equal to minus of minus, what is the x value given? 11 by 15. So take in this place 11 by 15. That is equal to minus into minus gives that plus. So plus 11 by 15. So we get what do we get? X value. That means RHS value. Therefore, we get LHS equal to RHS. Okay? Hence verified. See the second one. X equal to minus 13 by 17. So you have to verify this one. First taken as LHS, taken as left hand side value is equal to minus of, what is given LHS? Minus of minus x is equal to minus of minus, what is the x value given? Minus 13 by 17. Take bracket minus 13 by 17. See here, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So minus 13 by 17. What is the minus 13 by 7? Is equal to x. So in this place we have to take x. So we get RHS. So we get RHS. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. We can say verified. Hence verified. See the next problem. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First one minus 13, second one minus 13 by 19, third one 1 by 5, fourth one minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7, fifth one minus 1 into minus 2 by 5, sixth one minus 1. See the first one minus 13 given. Minus 13. So we have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is, so multiplicative inverse is also called reciprocal. So minus 13 is numerator, 1 is in denominator. So reverse of this, minus 1 by 13. So this is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13, or reciprocal of minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. So this one has reason, since minus 13 divided by 1 times 1 by minus 13 gives value 1. Okay. See the next one, minus 13 by 19. So you can write the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is, so reciprocal of this, minus 19 divided by plus 13. So minus you have to take in numerator place only, don't take in denominator place. Reverse of this we can get 9 by 13. Minus take in only numerator place, don't take in denominator place. So this is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. What is the reason? Since if you multiply minus 13 by 19 and reciprocal of this number, we will get value 1 only. So that's why we can write reciprocal of this number is minus 19 by 13, vice versa. The fourth one, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Simplify this. Minus into minus will get plus. 5 3s are 15. 8 7s are how much? 56. Okay, now we have to write the multiplicative inverse of this number. The multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56. We can write 56 by 15. Since what is the reason? 15 by 56 into 56 by 15 gives value 1. See the fifth one, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Simplify this. Minus into minus plus 2 by 5 into 1, 2 by 5. Now we have to write multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5. The multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Why? See the reason. 2 by 5 times 5 by 2 is equal to 1. Next, sixth one, see. Minus 1 given. Write the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Why? Because minus 1 by 1 we can write multiplicative inverse 1 by minus 1. This will be minus 1. Since minus 1 by 1 into minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to 1.